I am so excited you're joining me today. I've got to share something magical that just happened to me. It's December, so guess who visited my house at night? The elf on the shelf. And look what he left. A special note. I have been so excited to open it, but I wanted to wait until I was with you. Should we open it? Let's do it on the count of 3. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Look, he wrote inside of it. And on the front it says, Mr. Turry. That's me. My first name's Sean, but my last name is Turry. Christmas time is finally here, and I see all you artists far and near. That's you. Draw an elf that looks like me, and something magical you will see. When your drawing is complete, a journey north you just might meet. A journey north? Kids, what does this mean? I know what we need to do. Let's grab our drawing supplies and draw an elf. And maybe something magical will happen. Let's find out. Well, luckily I know how to draw an elf, and I'm going to teach you how to draw one as well. So let's start with a black marker, and I'm also going to use my coloring utensils because I want this elf to be extra special. So if you have some coloring utensils, make sure you have them along with you. Let's start by drawing our elf's hat. And this is going to be a triangle. And a triangle has 3 sides. Just like that. And your shapes can look a little different than mine. We want your drawing to be unique and special to you. Now I'm going to draw a circle on top of our triangle, and that's going to be the little fluffy part on the top of our elf's head. Next, I want to draw our elf's hair. So watch what I do. I'm going to draw a line from this corner over. And back. Hey, you know what this kind of looks like? A boat. Kind of looks like a sailboat. But you see, it's going to look a little different. And then I'm going to take a line here and draw it over like that. Next, let's draw our elf's head. And I'm going to start with our elf's ear. So I'm going to draw a line up like this and down, because elves seem to have pointy ears, don't they? And then around, face like that. And then his other ear pointing out on that side. Now let's add some details to the face. We can start by drawing a little kind of like a upside down rainbow for his nose. And then we're going to draw 2 little dots for his eyes or her eyes, depending on what you would like your elf to be. And then a big smile. Our elf is happy and excited that Christmas is near. I bet you're excited for Christmas too, huh? And we're going to draw a little eyebrow up there. And a little line there for the inside of our elf's ear. Next, let's draw our elf's body. And watch what I do. I'm going to draw a line down and over and down, just like that. And you can take your time, go slowly. If your lines look a little different than mine, that's okay. Now let's draw our elf legs. And I'm going to draw a line down like that. And like that. Let's do the same on the other side. Our elf is jumping for joy. And then we're going to draw a line on the bottom there. And now we need elf boots. And elf boots are not like any boots. They are curly in the front. Watch what we do here. I'm going to draw a line over. And then I'm going to curl it up like that. You give it a shot. We have one more boot that we can try it on. So I'm going to draw a line down, up with a curl, and then down like that. Also, let's draw some lines here because we can color these lines in red. We'll make red and green striped arms. Next, let's draw the arms on our elf. And we're gonna draw a line out, down, and back. And let's do the same on this side. Out, down, and back. He's looking for a big hug, isn't he? Okay, and now we're going to draw a mitten. It's cold in the North Pole, so I'm sure our elf is wearing mittens. And we're going to draw another mitten on this side. Just like that. There's one more thing I want to add to our elf that I think you would like on his shirt. A candy cane. Do you know how to draw a candy cane? And our candy cane will have stripes on it as well. And there we have the drawing of our elf. Do you hear that? It's like a twinkling sound. Where's that coming from? Kids, I think our drawing is starting to create the magic already. Okay, here's what we need to do. I want you to put your drawing someplace safe. I think we're going to need it for our next Christmas drawing adventure. And we're going to find out what happens back here. I'll see you in the next drawing video. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I'd love to see your amazing artwork. Parents, if you'd like to share your child's drawing, make requests, or send feedback, you can message me on Instagram. Draw with Sean is a brand new channel, and your support makes a big difference. Liking and subscribing really helps us grow and reach more kids, and it truly means the world to me. I can't wait to see and share what you've all created.